Hi, Richard here from 3D Print Academy. In today's video we're going to show you how simple it is to take a file into GrabCAD and prepare it ready to be printed on an F370. The part that's going to be printed is then going to be taken and finished in a tumbler with Acton Finishing. I'm just quickly going to pop the file into GrabCAD, stick it on a memory stick and then take it over to the F370. Okay, so I'm now at the F370 with my memory stick. I'm just going to pop that in. This is just one way of printing actually. The printer can be on the network. I've decided to transfer it with a memory stick in this case. So the memory stick's in. I'm just going to load it from the USB. Okay, there's the file. Puts it on the tray just there. I can move it around if I need to. I'm happy that the position's okay on the tray, and I'll just hit print add to queue. So that's copying it to the internal queue. Select that, hit print. So 30 minutes later, here we have the printed parts. I'm now at Acton Finishing, where we're going to take these two parts and put them in some finishing equipment to see what results we can really get from an FDM printed part. So here we are down in the workshop. I'm with Alex from Acton and she's actually going to help me finish these parts. There you go, Alex.
Thank you. Okay, so for these parts we've chosen one of our vibratory finishing machines, which is one of the standard ball machines. The media we're using is a ceramic media, very abrasive, to smoothen the part down, which is a bit rough. At the same time in the process we're also using water and liquid compound just to keep the process clean and keep the part clean. Okay?
Thank you, Alex. Can we now start the process of finishing these parts?
Yeah, for sure.
Several hours later we've got the part. The finish is just unbelievable. You wouldn't think that this has been printed on an FDM printer. It looks like it's been injection moulded or machined. So if you've got any questions on finishing, pop it in the questions box below or visit our website 3dprintacademy.co.uk.